Today I'm making stuffed Orrechiotte, which is a cup-shaped pasta. It's very thick around the edges, and so it takes quite a while to cook, about 25 minutes. So start that before you start your filling. Get the water to a nice rolling boil and pop them in, and just then let them simmer very gently for around 20-25 minutes. While they're cooking, I'm going to chop some chicken breast. Chop it up into strips first and then chop finely, almost like it's minced. Then chopping some bacon, chopping up into little fine strips, and I'm going to place them in the pan with some butter which I'm just melting. Just make sure that all the butter's melted before you add the ingredients. Then adding some finely chopped red onion. Get that to a nice sizzle. So it's sautéing and softening. Crushing some garlic with some sea salt. Just crush it with your knife until you get a nice creamy paste, so it's then will be well dispersed through the mixture. Pop it into the pan with the onion and let that fry for a few minutes. Then adding the bacon, another couple of minutes, and then the chicken. Just stir that and mix it around and cook it until it starts to go white. Then we're going to add some seasoning. But already added the salt, so some pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of freshly ground nutmeg. Keep cooking and stirring until, as I said, the chicken's all well done, and then a little sprinkling of flour just to thicken some of the juices up. Then some chopped parsley, some grated lemon rind, and a little bit of chopped spinach, or in this case I'm using silver beet. Mix that through and remove from the heat. 2 big spoonfuls of ricotta. Mix all that through and then taste for seasoning. Perhaps a little bit more pepper, and may need just a little more salt. By then your Orrechiotte should be ready to take out of the pan. Test one, and then when they're ready, lift them out and drain onto a tea towel. You can see the bottoms are quite fragile compared with the rims, so don't worry if they break a bit like that, because the filling will hold it all together. Then in a baking dish I'm going to place a can of chopped tomato, some pepper and salt, perhaps a little drizzle of olive oil. Stuff the Orrechiotte and place them in the tomato sauce. Fill your pan. There we are. These are really delicious, by the way. Really lovely way of serving something like this for a special occasion. Then a little bit of grating of some parmesan on the top. And they're ready to go into the oven. I usually serve these with a side salad. Bake at 180 for about 25 to 30 minutes, just till the sauce and everything is just sizzling and they look nice and brown. And there we are, as I said, serve with a side salad, and yum, delicious.